In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a call recording on Gohighlevel. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can quickly find the setting you need and understand what it does. Call recording is useful when you want to maintain a record of voice calls for quality control, training, documentation, or follow-up purposes. Inside Gohighlevel, this setting is managed through the phone system area, and I'll walk you through exactly where to find it. First, log into your Gohighlevel account and make sure you're in the correct location or workspace where you want to manage phone settings. Since call recording is tied to your phone system configuration, it's important that you're adjusting the settings in the right account before making any changes. Once you're inside Gohighlevel, look for the settings option and click on it. This is where the platform stores most of the account level and system level configuration options. So if you're ever trying to manage call features, phone numbers, or voice-related tools, this is usually the best place to begin. After that, go into Phone System. This section contains the controls related to your calling setup, including voice settings and the features attached to your connected phone numbers. If you don't immediately see the exact option you need, just stay within this area because the next setting is nested inside it. From the Phone System section, click on Voice. This will take you into the voice-specific settings where Gohighlevel organizes options related to calling, recordings, and transcriptions. If your account includes multiple communication tools, this helps narrow things down so you're only working with the voice configuration. Next, click on Call Recording. This is the section you'll use to review and manage how call recordings are handled within the platform. You should now be in the area specifically dedicated to maintaining records of voice calls. At this point, it's important to understand that call recordings can be enabled or disabled under phone number settings. In other words, this area helps you manage the recording function, but the actual on or off control may depend on the settings assigned to each phone number. So if you want recording to apply correctly, make sure you also check the specific phone number configuration tied to your calls. That's it. Once you've reached the call recording section and confirm the setting under your phone number settings, you'll be in the right place to maintain a record of voice calls in Gohighlevel. If you're managing multiple numbers, it's a good idea to review each one individually so your recording preferences are applied exactly where you need them.